Hey, thanks for joining me, Tech Tip Tuesday. Today we're going to go over how to be sure that when you're buying a laptop charger online that you are getting exactly the thing that you need to get power to your machine. So the first thing you want to know about the machine is the model number. And this here is an HP EliteBook 840G3 that I'm holding in my hands. By the way, this particular laptop is currently available at a reduced cost for eligible individuals through our programming, so check out our website if you want to learn more about that. So first thing you need to know, the model number. And more often than not, that's going to be enough. You can just plug that model number into your retailer of choice and you'll get the charger you're looking for. But if you want to be absolutely sure that it's the right thing, there's a few other things to double check. First is the size and shape of the actual plug that goes in. So this is a very small circle. I've measured it. It's about 1/2 centimeter. Most of the listings will tell you that. So that's one thing to check up on. And the other thing is, if you look on the outside of your machine, you will find the word input next to a number with a V and a number with an A. So here it says input 19.5 V. That's the voltage of the power supply. And then 2.31A, that's the amperage of the power supply. And if you multiply those numbers, so you got 19.5 volts times 2.31 amps, you get the wattage of the charger. The listing online when you're buying your charger will show the wattage. You want to match that exactly. You want to match the voltage and the size of the plug to make sure that when you order something online, you get it and it actually does what you want it to do.